Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean, and I'm here to draw the winner of these 4 fabulous things that I made with the stuff out of the Woodland Kit. So what I've done, I tried to go on a random picker that I was going to do online, but for some reason the site is down for the YouTube random comment picker. So that's why I'm kind of delayed a little bit. I went ahead and printed out everybody's name and rolled them up and made sure they were all the same size and everything, so it would be very fair. Now I've got everybody who commented with the Christmas tree in the bowl, and I'm gonna go one at a time and we'll see. Now we're drawing first. I think we're gonna draw for the card, for this little truck card here in the package, and it's got an envelope on the back that goes with it. I showed it in more detail on the video. So first of all, we're going to draw for that. I'm just going to stir these up. And our first winner for the card is Tammy Malik. I hope I said your name correctly. If I didn't, I'm sorry. You are the winner of the card. If you will email me at the email address underneath the video here, I will mail you your card. So we're just going to stick Tammy's name on the card here. And next we are going to draw for the pack of embellishments that I made with the rosettes and some of the eyelash trim and some other stuff in the kit. These bows were in the kit. The rosettes are in the kit. The eyelash trim. There's some stickers, but not quite this like this. The ones in the kit were square. I didn't have enough to use those, so I used these. But anyway, now we're going to draw for the set of 3 embellishments. And we'll bring the bowl back over and give it a good stir. And let's see who wins our embellishments. Sandy, and I am not going to butcher your name, hun. So, Sandy, congratulations. You are the winner of the 3 embellishments here. If you will email me at the email address below, I will ship these out to you. And next we are going to draw for the set of 2 of the wreaths that we made out of the shred that is included in the kit, along with the little pine cones that are included, rosettes, the bows. This is some of the pretty paper that's included in the kit, some of the bling that's included in the kit. I still have 2 of those kits left, y'all. If anyone's interested, let me know. And like I said in my snow video, if there's 1 or 2 things that you're interested in those kits, email me and let me know. I might have an extra one that I can sell to you and try to move some of this stuff out. So just email me. Okay, here we go. We're going to draw for the shred wreaths. Those wreaths were actually inspired by Created to Create. She made some, and I thought they were pretty, and I was wanting to use some stuff in the kit, so that's what I come up with, inspired by her video. At the end of this video, of the Woodland Kit, I actually put a link to that. Alright, Timber Still Studios is the winner of the shred wreaths. If you will email me at my email address below, send me your address and I will ship them to you. And last but not least, we are going to draw for this banner. And I noticed in the pictures and all, the banner looks kind of dark, but it's really red with reindeers, and the black is some of the embellishment that's included in the kit. I used the reindeer paper that was included in the kit. And I didn't have enough letters, so, but this roping, the golden white roping is actually in the kit. The eyelash trim is in the kit. So, anyway, I'm going to now draw for this little banner that says Noel, using the stuff in the kit. Now, it comes in this little box here. I'll be shipping it in this box. I'll just slide this in an envelope for safekeeping, but I showed that in the video as well. So it does come in the box. And our winner of the banner is, let's see who the lucky person is. Caressa Hillard. You are the winner of the banner, the Noel banner. Congratulations to all our winners. There are also some giveaways in my snow video kit. Y'all head over there and watch the video and see what you can win, and try sign up below. You have to comment with a snowflake on that video, but I give details in the video. Also, I'm putting together as we speak a shabby kit that'll be next that I upload. And like I said, I do have 2 of the Woodland kits left. And I've got 2 of the snow kits left. And I think I have 1 of the Santa kits left. I know I have at least 1. So, anybody interested in those, let me know. And like I said, if there's any one thing in there that you're interested in, email me and let me know. Also, I have 2 of these. These are the EK Success tools. It's a border punch that is snowflakes. I have 2 of these for $7.50 plus shipping a piece. If anyone's interested, email me, let me know. $7.50 plus shipping. And that's gonna wrap up our video for this evening. Keep an eye out. I might do a sneak peek in my shabby video of the stuff I've got to give away for the 100 subscribers giveaway challenge that I'm going to do. I'm trying to work out the details. I've never done one, so I'm trying to get it right. But that's coming soon as well. Alright, y'all have a crafty evening, and we'll see you real soon.